Sarah's got a business out here doing some shuttle driving, and she's helping us out this morning.
And we do resupplies and water caches, and we're dog friendly.
All right, I'll make sure I put a phone number on the YouTube channel.
Thanks.
These guys have got some things in common. Aw, but they're making it work.
Absolutely. We keep going. We're like Energizer batteries.
There you go.
Little tiny bit apprehensive, but I'm excited all the same.
And
I'm excited. We'll see what we can accomplish, particularly at altitude and in the heat.
all right.
Set the tone. I'm a little apprehensive about the heat, so.
All right, so it's 7 o'clock, or no, what is it, 7:30?
7:23.
All right, and the temperature right now is in the 60s? What was it? 60s?
I think like 60 maybe.
All right, so, but it's supposed to be up in the 80s some, so we'll see how it goes.
64.
And we are off. They do have a cache here of a little bit of water. So water is an issue on this trail. They do have some switchbacks starting out. Already breathing hard. We have about 5 miles or so, pretty much uphill. So it'll be a good test. This is our first official day on the Tahoe Rim Trail. You heard a lot of apprehension from everyone. And it really is because we typically hike at lower elevations and are not used to heat. So we've got both of those things going against us. These ladies are in shape, so I'm not concerned about that. But we got a long haul to make it the entire way. So we're starting out a little conservatively. Although I have my pack, it is a slack pack today. So I do not have my sleep system or my bear canister or all the food that we're going to need to carry. So, and that's so we can get an idea of what it's going to be like when we do carry the full pack weight. So hopefully everyone makes it good today and we will continue on. So it'll be a test. There is a lake down there. It is Spooner Lake. Another thing to note on this section, we're doing just under 13, probably 12.8. There is no water, so you have to carry your water. And we're not sure again how much water we drink or should be drinking in these elements. I think Terry, her Slater, is over carrying water, but it's better safe than sorry. It's a good day to test things out. And if you're worried about my breathing, even on normal trails, when we go uphill, I breathe hard. I have my Garmin. I'm testing it out right now, make sure everybody can get the texts. So we'll see if it's working. These yellow flowers, pretty much past peak right now, but those I think are called mule ears. Here they are. I like these. I think it's ponderosa pine. I like this tree. I have confirmation the Garmin is working. So they can track me and they can get texts. So that's good news. One less thing to worry about. We do share this portion of the trail with horses and bicyclists. Poor thing. Aw. Not sure what happened to him. You might notice that I have my umbrella with me. It's definitely not because of rain. It is in case someone needs some sun protection. It's gonna get warm. Ideally, we would have liked to have been on trail a lot earlier. And our strategy is gonna be to get on trail when it's first getting light so that we don't we minimize the time in the sun. Ideally, we wanted the shuttle driver to drop us off earlier. So any shuttle drivers out there, I would think the earlier on trail, the better, especially when it's warm out. You can get some miles in before it gets really hot. Yeah, it is hazy. Very nice though. All right, there is supposed to be a vista up here. We just aren't exactly sure how far. So 2 of us are going and 2 of us are continuing on. So this is the view for that vista. You can see it's hazy. That was a royal fire, is my guess, causing a little bit of haze. They do have part of that fire contained. They're still working on it though. Right. I think this is our start of our up again. Lake view, 2 miles. Trailhead that we're going to 9. Got a view of the lake. Yeah, I caught up to him. Yeah, we're up to 8750. Look at the view.
Yep.
Oh yeah. I love it. Breeze feels good. We're maybe 2 tenths to the top, and then another 3 tenths to a bench with a view. And we still have flowers. What a nice day. There is a very nice breeze up here. Looks like about 8,800 feet for our high point. Well, what are you guys thinking?
Well,
How is today?
I think we made it up in 2.5 hours. I feel 5 miles in 2.5 hours pretty daggum good for up.
Nice.
For me.
I just checked our mileage and our time. So in 3 hours we covered the 5.6 miles, which is just under 2 miles an hour, probably closer to 1.9. So we are moving pretty good. I thought there was going to be a bench on the top here. There is none. So we'll go along this ridgeline for a little bit and then we should start going down in elevation. Looks like I might have been off a little. There's potentially a bench there. Yep, there is actually a bench. Alright, Terry did decide she had too much water.
Right. We're all gonna wet our butts with Terry's water.
Okay, good.
Terry was carrying how many liters?
5.
5 liters. And she's drank 2 liters at the halfway point, basically.
We're a little bit in here.
5.5 to go. We're gonna find a place to eat lunch in about a half hour.
Under your tent. You have to basically set your tent up and then drag it under it.
I think these guys know how to relax.
Some better than others.
Do you have a nice break?
That was like an awesome break.
Well, I think we had an hour-long break.
Actually, that's probably better.
It's a nice view. Only a couple miles left. Are you ready?
Well, I'm definitely ready to be done.
All right, well, one way or another, we will be done.
Yes, we will.
So Terry gave up her water earlier. Are you regretting it?
Yes. Especially since we're going to be going uphill.
Yeah, so we have an uphill at the end.
Fortunately, Pollyanna shared some of her water with me. So
Yep, and between
I
us,
appreciate
we'll be able to manage. All right, we are going to head to the parking lot. It's a half-mile away. That way it keeps you on trail. So tomorrow when we get dropped off, we will be coming back up this trail. And we'll have our full packs then. You'll notice I put my sun shirt on because the sun really is relentless. When you're out in the sun, it is very hot. So we are almost done for our first day on the TRT. All right, I admit it was a slack pack day, but that helps us know what our capabilities are. And in reality, it's another day of acclimation. We got up to like 8,800 feet and we hiked pretty well. We're at the Kingsbury North parking area. Are you guys ready to go back?
Shower, absolutely.
Yeah. Can you wait for...
These days of backpacking, we are going to just be mud monsters.
I know.
Dirt
I know.
balls.
Now this is what we're talking about. Look at that dirt and grime. Look what we found. It was Pollyanna's stuff that scarfed it up.
Yes, it was. Here you go, Terry.
This is what happens when you try to travel and backpack. Stuff is everywhere. You have to get organized. Tomorrow we leave with our backpacks. Officially, we're doing it, you guys.
We're
doing it.
So this is what we call pack explosion.
Everything's everywhere.
I'm excited for the days that we're like already on trail because the shuttle drivers here are not early risers. And it is so hot, but you can't get to the trail before like 8 or 8:30. So once we're on trail, we can get up and be hiking at 6:30.
Yeah, that's
And
gonna
get
be
a lot of
our...
our hiking done before it gets too hot.
Just finished dinner. We are calling it a night.
Sorry?
Are you happy with today?
I am. I'm tired though. I want to go to bed. Terry's probably asleep already.
Yeah.
It's 9 o'clock.
I know.
Way past hiker's bedtime.
Yep, that's for sure. It was a good day. It was a challenging day, but everybody did great. We all made it through, and tomorrow's another test.